Nice one, cool dudes. It is day 3 of my South Downs Way walk, 3 of 7. It's just after 8:30 in the morning. My brother's kindly dropped me off, so I avoided camping last night. And I'm going to make my way from Cocking to Amberley. The guidebook says 12 miles, but the bad news is I've got my heavy camping gear. I mean, it feels ridiculously heavy. So let's see how it goes. Alright, let's get going. Good luck, everyone. How about a massive hill to start the day? Yes, please. The difference in weight, cool dudes, of a heavy bag is monumental. I can see why people just pack a day pack and get their stuff sent round to B&Bs. According to the sign, those sheep are Welsh mountain badger-faced sheep. I don't know what happened, but it sounds like a badger. Got pretty lonely one night and was very tempted by a sheep. And by a number of sheep in that field, that badger did it quite a few times. Hey mate, your dad's a badger. Yeah, you were, mate. I would like to know what one thinks about during the South Downs Way walk. Yeah, it's a good question, Hooded Marek. The main things I think about are A, have I dropped anything important? And B, how do I get the weight down in my pack when I need everything in there? So not very interesting. Question of the day, my friends. What is that little hut there? It's got stairs going up to it and it's got a lock on it. Is it a bird watching hut? Please tell me what it is in the comments below. Graffham Downs. And this is where they used to bury the important individuals. That's what was going on here 3,000 years ago. Non-stop partying. I say it's a non-stop party, it's actually a funeral. Sorry, I got mixed up. I just checked the map, cool dudes. There's a place over there to my left called Gad's Bottom, which goes straight in to number 3 in the best names of the South Downs Way. Congratulations, Gad's Bottom. Look how much that one looks like a badger. I'd say they're almost half badger. There we go, that's where I started. I'm there. Uh-oh. Yeah, the views are nice, but I didn't want to talk about that. I wanted to talk about that I've just gone past or near a place which has gone straight to number 1 in the best names of the South Downs Way. Sticking Spit Bottom. Can it be beaten? It's Saturday today and there are quite a few more walkers out, mainly day walkers I think. It is the hills that's the killer in this. I've just done a big one, hill that is. The good thing about the guidebook is that it shows you all the gradients of all the hills so you can see when they're coming up. And my main advice is I've seen people doing this without trekking poles. I know you look like a dick with trekking poles, but they saved my life so many times. The badger has been at it again. There's an amazing bench back there, cool dudes, but 3 people were sitting on it. I'm so upset. I can't tell you how much I hate them right now. If I had my way, there'd be a rule where you'd be able to have this monitor which says how long you've walked along the South Downs Way. And if there's people sitting on the bench and you've walked further than they have, you just show it and you say, right, sorry, you've walked a lot further than we have. We must vacate this bench for you. Yes, vacate the bench immediately and do not ever speak to me again. Everyone's got their gliders out today. Time for quiz of the day. Viewers, what plants do you think these are? Someone's picked one and put it by the side of the road. Well done, it's turnips. Ironically, Jesus hates graffiti artists. Today's a much shorter day's walk, cool dudes. But the main thing I'm dreading is the camping tonight, because it's going to feel like it's 3 degrees apparently because of the northwesterly wind and it's quite cold. So let's see how we get on with that. 10 miles in, cool dudes. I'm walking below 2 miles an hour. That is with stoppages though, so a pretty slow pace. There is Amberley below. I walked over that bridge in my Arundel to Amberley video that you can watch up here somewhere. Yeah, you're a pretty cool bridge, I'll give you that. Amberley Castle in the distance. That, my friends, is Foxleigh Barn, where I'm staying tonight. Nice one, cool dudes. 11.7 miles, 6 hours 50 minutes. I've put my tent up. I've no idea what I'm doing. There's a few other people in the campsite. Facilities are very good at Foxleigh Barn. I can recommend it. There's showers, there's a little kitchen area, and there's a shop as well. And there's a curry you can get takeaway from that delivers to the gate. Pretty good, right? The walk today was good again. I think I maybe prefer bits of day 2, but it's getting more impressive. I hope you enjoyed it. What else? Join the club, get this free stuff, but most importantly, stay cool. See you later, bye.